Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We've got Ray first in the chat. What's going on, Ray? Matthew, YMB. We got Xavier Gomez, Mr. Pop Rocks, Tony D, DD214, Insert YMB. Kenneth, what's going on, man? JJ, we live. We are live, man. Tony D, DD214. What is going on? No, I actually was eating really quick. I did have to eat really quick. It's weird with multi-streaming. It doesn't want me to schedule the live, and I don't know why. I might need to look into it a little bit more. It wants me to go live so that I can go live on multiple platforms and then just have that kind of, intermission screen or whatever it is that you want to call it, going until I actually click the button to open up the camera right there. So it's a little different, but nonetheless, man, we're going to make it work. Test out the multi-streaming for a while and then see what happens with it. Let's jump into the market real quick and see what's going on over here. We've got AMC finishing the day at $5.50, down 2.74%. Shiba Inu coin back above 1,000, sitting at 1,005 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 1857, up 0.11% on the day. Not too much going on there. Bitcoin bouncing back, guys. Bitcoin sitting at $28,711 right now. Bitcoin showing some strength into the afternoon here. The Nasdaq, unfortunately, finishing 1.08% lower today, most likely in anticipation of Jerome Powell talking tomorrow at the interest rate decision. AMC sitting at $5.50. Ethereum sitting at 1872. Shiba Inu coin 1,005. Dogecoin 7.8 cents. Bitcoin $28,709. Mullen Auto bouncing back a little bit today, gaining 8%, but sitting below 9 cents, almost below 8 cents, sitting at 8.1 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.53 at the close. CEI $1.29. The SPY 410. BBIG. Dude, BBIG having some volatile action into the afternoon there. Look at this. Dipping down to 1640, back up to 17, sitting at 1695 after hours at the moment. Hycroft Mining, 38 cents. Netflix, $317. QQQ, $319. We're sitting on Ape at $1.51, and MPW finishing the day with a little bit of a rally there to bring it back from lower 8s to $8.35. Where it sits right now. Let's watch Bitcoin and let's get back to the chat there. Richie's Plain Talk says, anyone who give me some tips on how to get a MEXC account in the US, please throw it in a comment on my YouTube video. It's making me mad and I can't get it in Pennsylvania. Interesting. I don't know. I don't have a MEXC global account, but I will say this, Richie. If you're having an issue opening up an account, MEXC Global's Twitter, they're actually very responsive, dude. So if you send them a DM, they might send you a DM back saying, like, reach out to so-and-so. He's our head of accounts or whatever. But, yeah, MEXC Global's Twitter account they've gotten back to me a couple times, man. So if you want to, like, if nobody's got a tip or anything in here, MEXC Global does respond on Twitter, so you can send them a DM, and I'm sure, like, if it's available for you to have an account in Pennsylvania, then they will definitely tell you everything you need to do to get an account in Pennsylvania. They seem to have responded to me great in the past, so that would be my tip if nobody knows how to get one, but I do not have an account. I do know that they wanted me to sign up for an affiliate account a couple months ago, but I never did. All right, let's see here. Do you think LUNC is a scam? No, Pop Rocks. I don't think that Terra Luna Classic is a scam. I do think that Terra Luna Classic is a risk, though. So if we run out of money in the community pool, I truly believe that these developers are just going to walk away, dude. And if you got these guys that are only interested in a paycheck, and the paycheck dries up, it's going to be bad news. And I do see that Pika Power is first over on Twitch. So, Pika, thank you very much for being first over there. We might have some firsts here in the chat with Ray DeSilva. We got Pika first in the chat over there on Twitch. Thank you very much, Pika and Ray, for being first in both chats. No, he's not. He's filling out the form for the free MAGA watch from Trump. Add that I just watched. I have no idea what are we talking about here. Oh, he's Clay filling up his water bottle. No, I'm filling out the form for the free MAGA watch. Oh, dude, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. We got watches. We're giving away watches now. I moved something else into Shib. Well, it was still below 1,000, so glad it moved back up. Matthew, very nice, man. Yeah, things moving back up a little bit. Shiba back up. Ethereum doing very well, along with Bitcoin. So they're pulling back a little bit at the moment, but Ethereum tapping 1880 and Bitcoin tapping 29, almost 29,000 there. Those two are bouncing back nicely. Shiba not bouncing as much, but nonetheless, this is like a 1% decline here from 1013 down to 1004. So that is something to think about as well, man, that it is moving back down 1%, so it was probably up in correlation to what Bitcoin and Ethereum were, just acting a little bit more volatile at the moment. Jose Pioquinto, what is going on, man? Glad to have you in here. Look at those discounts, Frank. Everything is on sale. Everything has been on sale for 2 stinking years now. Dude, I was thinking about it earlier, and we are truly living, because... Well, I just put it this way, all right? We're not gonna be talking about any politics or anything, but I was talking to somebody today, and they said they're not buying anything else. They're not putting in any additional money until things start to change, all right? Which is gonna be another year or two, and it really made me think, dude. You know, there is blood in the streets right now. And everybody always says, somebody who makes it through a bear market like this, they always say, when there's blood in the streets, buy. When everybody else is running, buy. When everybody else is fearful, be greedy. And when everybody's greedy, be fearful. These guys aren't that smart, right? They didn't just make this stuff up. It works. And I believe that that's what we've got to be doing right now. Our instincts are telling us to run. Our instincts are telling us to just settle down and stop. Our instincts are saying, get out. But we got to go through those instincts, and we've got to move forward if we expect to be one of those dudes that says, you know, when there's blood in the streets, buy property. Richie's Plain Talk. Thank you very much. Richie throwing 10 green names in the chat. Richie, I love it, man. Grizzo got a green name. Giancaru got a green name. RMS got a green name. Mr. PANE channel got a green name. Jason K got a green name. Steve Spencer got a green name. Time Traveler got a green name. Willie Nelson got a green name. The Arturo Show got a green name. And Vanguard grabbing a green name. Richie, man. Thank you very much for 10 green names. Guys, if you just got a green name, please say thank you to Richie. Show your appreciation. Richie, absolutely appreciate it too. Can't say thank you enough for that. And if you guys did not get a green name, dude, show some love to Richie right now. Throw some Richies in the chat and say thank you that way. Clearo, take a look at IKUN. This one has massive potential coin. Its security on Go Plus is solid. It has an $80,000 market cap. Gas for trading is about 15 to 20. It's trading on Uniswap. Let's check it out, man. All right, give me 2 seconds. All right, good. I had something stuck in my tooth and I had to get it out of there. Let's see here. IKUN. IKUN. Where are we rolling right now on IKUN? Raptor Theory. And we got $80,000 in total liquidity. Not bad at all. This one doesn't really show up on CoinMarketCap here. So this is a long shot, right? Scans by Go Plus, very good sign here. 0 risks and 0 warnings. That is a very nice sign. Let's see. I don't know if we can see. Can we see it on Etherscan? Doesn't seem like we can see it on Etherscan. I was wanting to know how many holders it had. Does it show us here on this page? I don't know if it's going to show us here on this page. Guys, this bad boy is brand new right here. It is rolling right now, all right? We're looking at this. This is a 1-hour chart. You throw it on a 5-minute chart, we get a little better perspective of what we got going on here. This coin coming out this morning, looks like maybe about 12 hours ago, okay, maybe about 12 hours ago or so, coming out this morning at way too many zeros and basically a 3 or 4 to count there, I don't know, rolling up. Maybe this might be a 10x gain, pulling back a little bit, and it's curling back up. That's good news. What I like to see, man, is the fact that it hasn't been rugged yet, and it's already been out for 10 to 12 hours. So that is a good sign. You might be getting a second little rally here, and this second little rally, if it just goes back up to where it was, could give you 2 to 3x gains from this point. And, dude, if it drops back down to here, you know, you might be sitting on 5 to 6x gains if it dips back down a little bit. So, definitely something to keep on your watch list if you guys are interested in it. It's still out there. They're still throwing some money into it. And when you're talking 2.5 Ethereum trades, somebody's moving big time. So, that is pretty nice to see $5,000-$6,000 trades going on out there. So somebody, I don't know, man, Dark Bro, you might be onto something. I don't know if it's going to catch on and run up big, but it has definitely been moving hard in price today. Hasn't been rugged yet, and could be a decent opportunity right there. Back to the future! Thank you very much for the member chat. He says, love being in the bro community, and we love having you in the bro community. Back to the future, man. Thank you very much for being 2 months a bro. You have to manually go to Etherscan and search the contract address. I did. Gotcha, Dark Bro. Gotcha. Well, the Coinbase going international could be a move. Which could be the move, man? Oh, you're saying it could be a move in Coinbase and it could be a move in the cryptocurrency market with Coinbase? Yeah, I think so, man. The part of me that is slightly concerned about Coinbase going international, the Gemini, the Winklevoss twins going international. I don't know if Kraken has stated that they're opening up international or not, but all these bigger exchanges, man, opening up international bodies, I think it's less of like a growth aspect and more of a defense aspect. If things don't work here in the United States, who cares? Who cares? They're going to be set up for international customers, and they'll be ready to roll. But yeah, dude, if everything, you know, stays calm here in the United States and they've got an international presence, they could be setting themselves up for some decent growth. Clay, what name are you under in Twitch? Claybro883, I believe. It should just be Claybro883. I really don't even know how to paste my channel or whatever onto I don't even know what my channel is, but Claybro883 is the thing. Since I've only used this is the second day I've ever used Twitch. So yeah, I really don't know what to do. Claybro883, if you can find it, you can find it. If anybody else knows how to copy and paste the stream, copy and paste the stream if you would like. Blaze token burned 2 billion Shib today. It just launched a week ago. Your thoughts? Whew, very nice. All right, so I have not seen that Blaze burned 2 billion. I did see that somebody burned 200 million, but I did not see that Blaze burned 2 billion. So that is excellent news. Here's the thing. They could be following the exact same strategy as Koyo. All right? Now, it is a great marketing tactic. The Shiba Inu coin community is huge, and burning Shiba Inu coin is a great way to get in front of Shiba Inu coin holders because they're guaranteed to talk about it, retweet it, and so on. Be careful with the project, but nonetheless, if they are legitimate and they really do want to help the Shiba Inu coin community, I mean, it might not be as fast as success as possible if you're going to be buying into Blaze, but dude, if they've got that long-term, you know, solid approach and they don't plan on scamming anybody, they're probably going to see some growth, and you could grow along with them. The only thing that makes me concerned is that when coins put their entire identity into building around burning another coin, they typically have a very difficult time of catching on mainstream. So just watch out for that. Let's see. I ain't got the cash for it, but I told Kenneth I was researching possible gainers, and that's like my number one so far for new coins. Dark Bro, I love it, dude. I love it. And shoot, dude, I don't know, man. Maybe Kenneth doesn't have the time to research coins, dude. But if you throw something out there, man, you guys might make a pretty good trading team. So if he gets onto it and he likes what you got, dude, I think you guys might make a pretty good team there. Diddy214, thank you very much for subscribing, for following, whatever it is that they call it over on Twitch, man. Really appreciate it. We get 9 followers over on Twitch. I think, and I don't know how it works, but I think you get monetized when you've got 50 followers. But honestly, I don't know how to throw the... Hey, somebody throw my Twitch stream. Throw the link in the chat, and I'll paste it up to the top. I don't know how to find my thing. So, somebody throw that in the chat, and then I'll paste it to the top of the chat. Let's see. Claybro, what does 883 mean after Claybro? Just a random number. Yeah, it's pretty random, dude. It's pretty random. I'll say this. There may be a reason for it that is, slightly embarrassing. But my very, very first screen name ever on AOL had 883 after it, and I've had 883 on my name since 7th grade, dude. Since 7th grade. So there you go. It's been on there since 7th grade, and been rolling with it ever since. The 883 has stayed with me. A little bit of a random, a little bit of maybe not random, I don't know. Zark Bro, did not see it on Uniswap. The contract, you might want to copy and paste the contract address out there, Richie, to get the IKUN out on Uniswap. Let's see. Very, very difficult if you're just trying to type the ticker symbol into the name. Made almost $400 last week on my side hustle. Too bad I'm paying down my credit card to keep it at 0. Or I'd rather keep investing it, but being a disciplined investor, I know to pay no interest. Dude, interest on credit cards is insane. Frank, you're doing good to do that one. When you pay your credit card down, guys, it is a guaranteed, my gosh, dude, I don't know, like 2% monthly gain there. What are your credit card interest rates right now? 26 to 30%, something insane. So, yes, if you can, try your absolute best to get your credit card. That is like the worst debt that you can have, man. Credit card debt is nuts. So, if you can, pay your credit cards down fast because those interest rates are stupid. That's guaranteed money in the bank, dude, that you're making there. Now, if you've got an equity line that you're only getting charged 3% annual interest on or something, it's a different story that you may be able to leverage that debt a little bit better than what you got going out in interest. But dude, credit cards, no, man. I would not mess around with credit cards. Credit cards is like messing around with options that expire the same day, or messing around with borrowing crypto or borrowing AMC at 900% cost to borrow or something. So, yes, don't mess with credit cards. That's a good idea there. Let's see. Hey, Clay, what was that site you were on? Was it Dex Tools? So, there is Dex Tools, but this is CoinMarketCap, okay? This is CoinMarketCap here, and they are probably pulling from Dex Tools, okay? This is the live decentralized exchange price chart. I don't know where they're actually pulling from, if it's pulling directly from Etherscan like DexTool does, or if they're somehow partnered with DexTools, or what they got going on. But this is CoinMarketCap here. This is DexTools. Okay, this is DexTools. And look, guys, this is where we are right here. 14 hours ago. Look at all these rugs, man. Look at all these rugs. And if we scroll up, we can see everything that's being created today. Let's see. All these coins. Wow, dude. I don't know if this is legitimate or not. This bad boy's only got $1,300 in liquidity here. So watch out for it. They could easily rug this one. Something's probably going on with this, dude. The token price is $67,000. No. I'd stay away from that one. I don't know what's going on there. But, yeah, man. Just look at the last, like, hour. Look at all these rugs in the last hour, man. All these rugs in the last hour just ripping people out of their money. Yeah, that to me is... Dude, this is like just watching a den of thieves get together, man. I would love to overturn the table and show these guys what's going on. But I find rug pulls, I find scammers, and I find thieves so utterly repulsive. It is nuts, man. So, yes, I do believe you can get lucky. I don't believe that you are going to go in there and guarantee yourself that you're getting into a legitimate token, unless, of course, you're buying into something that you truly trust the creator. If we were to make a bro coin or whatever, I would not have a worry about it being rug pulled. I would worry that you guys would sell off. You know, that I can't control what you guys would do. But when you don't know what these guys are creating, and you see rug pull after rug pull like this, it truly is disgusting, man, to see all these guys. Trollheim, AMFU, PDS, all rug pulling. IMO, rug pull. WS Pepe, rug pull. Petoshi, rug pull. Buzz, Keck, rug pulls. You know, it is just... It's stupid to see the amount of rug pulls in the space, man, where these people have bad intentions from the get-go. So that's Dex Tools, and this is... Nope, sorry. This is CoinMarketCap here. So thank you very much for asking. Darn, ignored. Never ignored, Kombu. What'd you say up there? Ah, I didn't miss my ode mustache, did I? No, you did not. You did not get the mustache. Thank you very much, Kombu, for the mustache. Thank you very much, Kombu, for the mustache, man. I did forget about it, so thank you very much for reminding me. And thank you very much for the original mustache and the reminder. Really appreciate you, man. Tomorrow is my birthday. I got a doctor's appointment all day long. I want my birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timmy. Happy birthday to you. Tim, man, thank you very much for letting me know it's your birthday tomorrow. May is like the greatest month ever, man. Really appreciate it, and I do hope that you have a good birthday despite everything that's going on in your life right now, man, that you feel good, the doctors are nice to you, they give you a present instead of giving you a kick in the butt, and everything works out for the best, man. So thank you very much for being in here, and I will definitely sing again. Teach the credit cards a lesson, file bankruptcy. Yeah, that could be better off. You could be better off doing that than paying 26% interest, man. Nice, Kenneth. I hope it blows up for you. Clay, Dark Bro, I bought 50... What is this? Billion, 318,753,450.7938 coins of IKUN or whatever it was. Is that what you're talking about there? This dude just rolling, man. I love it. Dang, dude, Kenneth. Dude, oh my gosh. Watch that coin go up like... I don't know, 5,000% tonight, and Kenneth sits on another $1 million. Frank Noyce, a man's motor. So I know I'm missing something about a man's motor. Dial Up. What's going on, Dial Up? Glad to have you. Dial Up, Dial Up, Dial Up. Heck yeah, Tony D, Kombu, Dial Up. Alexander Peña, feliz cumpleaños to you. Feliz cumpleaños to you, Tim. Feliz cumpleaños to Tim. Happy birthday, man. Frank saying, that is happy birthday in Frank's language. I'm pretty sure Frank made that language up, so yes. Dark Bro. Oh, that was $100 worth of IKUN. Very nice, man. Kenneth throwing it out there and hoping it sticks. Dude, watch Kenneth ride that up to a $10 million valuation or something. And the dude's sitting there with another 100 grand. It's going to be insane. Tim, or Kenneth, man, I hope you do it. Clay, check out KMD Dial Up. Absolutely Icelandic. Yeah, dude, it's more like Franklandic because I have no idea what that means. Patrick Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, dilly dilly to whomever was first. It was Ray DeSilly. Also, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timmy. Happy birthday to you. 9,907 to go. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat, for the birthday wishes to Tim, and the shout out to Array De Silva for being first in the chat. We got anybody else over there? No, we don't have anybody else over there in the Twitch, guys. And nobody even posted my Twitch link. Somebody go post my Twitch link so I can paste it. I didn't see it come across if you guys did. So, $100 gets you 50 billion IKUN. Gas tax was $32. Oh my gosh, dude. $32 on a $100 purchase. That is insane. Man. Dude, the crypto space is getting crazy. Oh, that's not bad. It was right around $20 when I looked a while ago. $32. Insane, dude. Frank, I was in Iceland when I was in the Marines. A beautiful country, beautiful women. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, Iceland, they got a lot of very, very fit CrossFitters, too. I don't know what they put in the water over there in Iceland, man, but those guys, they for being a small country, they got a lot of good CrossFitters. I don't argue with my midget neighbor, I just mentor him on how to be correct. Like, buy an XRP now before the SEC suit inevitably settles before the end of this year. Johnstown, and if it settles in the favor of XRP, it is going to blow up. I'm another May birthday, May 15th. Dude, how many May birthdays do we have in here? Tim's got a May birthday. I got a May birthday. Frank said he had a May birthday, right? Caesar has a May birthday. Any more May birthdays in here? This is nuts. KMD. Let's look it up. Dial up Survivor. Yes, yes, yes. KMD. Komodo, ladies and gentlemen, Komodo. If you want to check this one out, $48 million market cap, doing very well, going from 31 cents all the way up to 39 cents today. So it is, I mean, a 30% gain, back down a little bit, but having a very strong move, regaining everything that it had last week, and over the last month, this could be on its way to 45 cents. Little resistance in the area that it's at right now, but nonetheless, man, this could be a pretty good move if it sustains it. So, testing this resistance in the 35 cent range, but could be on its way back up here to 45 cents or so. So KMD, yes, looking very good on the day today. Have to see which way or which direction it continues to go. Back to the Future! Back to the Future says all you guys need to forget everything and do a little lick and stick. You peel that banana, Back to the Future, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Oh, you got to maintain eye contact the entire time, though. Thank you very much, Back to the Future, for teaching everybody how to do that lick and stick. We know that was dedicated to Tim for his birthday, right? That had to be dedicated to Tim for his birthday. Join the part. Oh, thank you very much, Pika. Now I got to go out there and paste this. Let's see where we're at. Pasting for Pika, pasting for Pika, pasting for Pikachu. Boom! Pinned to the top of the chat right there. Please, guys, if you don't follow the Twitch already, go follow the Twitch. We're still going to live stream on YouTube. No worries about that. But getting some followers over on Twitch, multi-streaming, trying to get some more people in here, more people interested in crypto, and all that good stuff. So, Pika, thank you very much. Let's see. Dark Bro. All right, guys. I got to cut out early. See you tomorrow. I will have another potential massive gainer later on tonight. And Dark Bro, enjoy the rest of your day, man. Thank you very much for being in here. And IKUN is a potential runner thanks to Dark Bro. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for looking into that. Be good, be safe, and be happy. Heck yeah, it's him. Hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. That's what I said. Dog. Yes. I know for a fact that Frank has to be making this stuff up, man. There's no way people actually say that. May 3rd, 1979. Kenneth tomorrow is his birthday. Guys, we're going to be singing happy birthday. So Tim and Kenneth share the same birthday. Look at that. Very nice. We're birthday twins. I'm a 69, baby, though. There you go, man. 69, 79, birthday twins. I love it. Tim and Kenneth rolling, baby. When Pepe pumped, the gas fees were at $350. I took screenshots of when it was that high. Dude, that is insane, man. And one of the reasons that I was reading about, I didn't know that they were that high, okay? One of the reasons that gas was that high was because those maximum extractable value bots. These bots, they go out there and they front run traders to buy a little bit before their transaction closes, turn around and sell it to them for a slightly higher price. These maximum extractable value bots, or MEV bots, were going in there and trading extreme high frequency and willing to pay higher gas prices to front run. So, some people think it's a good idea, some people think it's a bad idea, but they heavily contributed to the gas fees going up, and $350 is nuts, dude. That is almost unattainable. Like, who can really afford to go out and pay $350 gas fees? Let's see. Click, can you check out Wojak? Was looking good today. Yeah, dude. Bob, Wojak, Bobo, Pepe, Papa. These guys are all looking pretty good, man. Wojak, where we at here? Golly bum, dude. Wojak sitting on a 200+% gain. It is at $62 million right now. Oh my goodness. These gains are insane. Look at the last 7 days, man. Last 7 days, going from 4 zeros and a 6 to 3 zeros and a 9. It is 15x'd in value in about 5-6 days here. From April 27th, it is 15x'd in value, man. Oh my goodness. Wojak, loving it right now. Pepe, let's see what Pepe is doing today, guys. Pepe sitting here. Is it still supporting some gains? It is, man. 1,200 points per coin. 22% gain on the day. It is steadying out around that $500 million market cap, but $500 million. Think about that, guys. It's worth $500 million in like 2 weeks. That is nuts. My gosh, dude. So, Wojak, Pepe's still doing very good. Happy birthday, Kenneth. Oh, we'll be singing to Kenneth tomorrow, man. My birthday falls on Mother's Day this year. You know what, Frankie? Your mother's greatest gift. That is a fact on that. Kenneth, our parents, we're doing it a decade apart, man. That they were, Tim. That they were. Oh, my God. Let's see. Dude, I paid $4,263 to cash out yesterday. Kenneth, that is very high, but let me say, I would have expected it to be actually a little bit more than that. I would have expected it to be a little bit more than that. You cashed out a lot of money, dude. You did very well still. That is a very high fee, but one that I would actually be okay cashing out if I had that profit there. And I do see Pika over there. Thoughts on Gala? I will never ignore. It's like my spider senses tingling. I know when Pika's saying something. Thoughts on Gala? You know what? I do like Gala, but I only like Gala if you believe in crypto gaming, okay? Gala's been out for a while, and Gala is very volatile. I don't know how I feel about the Gala team, all right, and what they're willing to post on social media. I do think that they might be willing to exaggerate a little bit to get hype around their coin. But if you believe in crypto gaming, you guys can see that they're one of the forefronts in crypto gaming. All right, they got a lot going on in terms of their games and so on. So if you believe in crypto gaming, I think you're doing pretty good here. If you don't believe in it, I'd be a little bit skeptical of them. But Gala is a very, very well-known coin. $261 million market cap right now. They ran from about a cent, about a cent, all the way up to about 5-6 cents at the beginning of the year. So they 5x'd there, which was very nice. And they could come down another 90% to get to their all-time lows. But, dude, they ran in 2021. Ran. I don't think that this is a bad coin to have some in longer term if you think crypto gaming is going to take off again. So, yeah, Gala, I do not mind Gala. I am realizing the only way I can double my money is to put all of my money in front of a mirror. This market is rigged. Yeah, dude, I feel like that too, right? And you may feel like that during a bear market. And you might be right. During a bear market, the only way to double your money is to go out there and put it in front of a mirror. That might be absolutely true. During a bull run, though, okay, whatever you're willing to put in now and just wait out, during a bull run, dude, it's going to be a completely different story. It has always been a completely different story in the past. And like I say, unless they truly destroy the United States of America, then it will be the same story again. So I know that that's what I was talking about at the beginning of the stream here. Some people are giving up, putting more money in until we get some new leaders or something drastic changes like that. But they might be getting in as things are rising, which is a good strategy if you can't deal with the down of the market every day. But if you could deal with the down, man, you're going to be in at rock bottom. John J, thank you very much for the super chat. John J said, she head jumps like a truck. Got thighs like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She head jumps like a truck. Got thighs like what? Baby, move your butt. All night long, John J, let me see that. I don't. How far can I go? He didn't type anymore. John J, man, yes. It's such a. Anybody singing along with me? She head jumps like a truck. Fast like what? Baby, move your butt. All night long, John J, let me see that. I don't know what you could say on YouTube and what you can't say on YouTube. Are you allowed to say butt on YouTube? I don't even know if you're allowed to say butt on YouTube. John J, man, yes. Bringing it back, man. Bringing it back because we got those dump trucks coming in this year with some massive gains. Oh, yes. We're going to have some massive gains this year, guys. Stacking clay, bro. I'm stacking. I love it. We got Frank over on the Twitch right now. Pudgy over on the Twitch right now. Meow, Pikachu over in the Twitch right now. Thank you guys very much for being over on Twitch. If you did not follow, all right, join the party. Link is up at the top of the screen. Please follow the Twitch if you guys got one. We will be multi-streaming, so it doesn't matter if you do follow it or not. But you can't get monetized, I think, with only 50 followers over there. So appreciate everybody who does so. And if I miss you over there, well, you'll show up on the screen if you follow the Twitch. So we'll make sure you get the shout out for following over there. Feel like people be sleeping on Solana. It's been hanging in the strong after the FTX debacle. Yeah, you know what, Kalani? They were a lot more optimistic about Solana prior to the FTX collapse. And you're right, dude. You're right. Solana is one of those coins that could have lost everything because of FTX. And they're not there just yet. They were getting there, but they've fallen back down a little bit. Oops. They've nearly erased all of their FTX losses. So you're looking at this. This is their FTX loss right here. And it was a drastic one. Okay, you can see falling from this area around $28 to $30 per coin, and boom, it fell through when FTX collapsed, and everything just got destroyed. Well, it did test some very, very low lows. $8 per coin is what it was testing, and it has bounced back nicely, retesting this $27, $28 mark. Now, $27, $28 is where it was before the FTX collapse. I mean, look, you were testing 25 here when things were falling, when Bitcoin fell through 30, 40,000. And, you know, you've got this back here, testing $26, $27. And then the FTX collapse caused it to go down. So we are testing levels that we were seeing prior to the FTX collapse. So we got to go up a little bit from where we are right now. But nonetheless, man, you know, the fact that it has erased all of the concerns surrounding FTX, I think is phenomenal. There's nothing short of that. You know, it's one of those coins that could have and maybe should have died alongside of FTX. What the heck is Twitch? Twitch is just another streaming site, man. I'm trying to multi-stream so we can get some more viewers in here. I know things have been really low lately, so trying out multi-stream, see if we can get some more people in here. And right now, it doesn't seem to be working too much, but I appreciate all you guys that are following Twitch as well. I'm in both streams. Bonus points. Dude, double bonus points, PK. You get bonus points just for showing up. And the fact that you're in both of them, showing up in both of them, yes, you absolutely get double bonus points. Give me sword, you get Twitch rated. That's fair. I have no idea what that means, Pudgy. I have no idea what that means. Give you sword, I get swiped, you get rated. That's fair. I have no idea what swiped is, no idea what a sword is. Sword for Pudgy, sword for Pudgy, sword for Pudgy. I'm everywhere. Kenneth Bro is everywhere as well. I don't know what a sword is, guys. You have to tell me what a sword is because I have no idea. Please give a follow and thank you. Yeah, God, hey, I don't know how to. Frank, can I just follow you? Dizzle, thank you very much for the follow. Oh yeah, look, I'll follow Frank over there. You guys do anything? I'll follow you guys on Twitch. I don't know if you guys do anything on Twitch. I didn't know I could follow you. Alright, yeah. I didn't know I could follow you back on Twitch. Let's see. Sword equals wrench. Wrench equals mod. Oh, making mods over on... Do we need mods over on Twitch just yet? I don't even know if we need mods over on Twitch just yet. Nobody's even in there to moderate. Could I do that? Clay, trying to follow me too? Yeah, I don't care. Guys, if you're over in Twitch, I'll follow you back, man. I don't care. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know what to do on Twitch. I don't know, like, to watch people or whatever. But, yeah, I don't care. I'll follow you back over there. It's a Twitch wrench. Oh yeah, everybody's gonna need wrench. Everybody's gonna need wrenched over on Twitch now too, aren't we? Let's see. Oh, where's Farmy? This dude. Hey, dude. Tim, you're lucky. You're lucky, man, that I moved on with my life, man, because Farmy was a very, very large accident. I almost said, "How you feeling there, Tim? How you feeling?" I almost said, "Dude, I almost, made fun of Tim there for." Oh, Tim, dude, I had to show some restraint on that one. Farmy was actually up for a minute today. I did get a notification on my phone. Up 5% on the day today. Farmy jumping up to 48 cents. Nonetheless, man, I ended up getting out of Farmy. I think somewhere on this decline right here. So well above $1. But look at Farmy on the long term, man. Farmy absolutely destroyed. Look at this long term graph. $100 and some, maybe even more, whatever it goes back to down there, to 48 cents right now. So Farmy actually not doing too bad over the last couple of days. It's strung 3 green days together in a row. But please, guys, do not touch Farmy if you want to have any self-respect. Oh, that was Big Clay too. You guys are supposed to see Big Weeble. Yeah, dude. If you got any self-respect, don't buy Farmy. I'm throwing cash everywhere, grabbing all these memes, and so far they're paying off. They're all making massive gains, but it is a risk. But using an $11,000 budget, Pepe was a payoff. If I'll pay off, I'll try more. But with everything that is being thrown at us, the SEC and so forth, I'm making everything I can. Kenneth, I don't blame you, dude. I don't blame you at all, man. At all. What's your strategy, Ken? You going out there, you taking half, letting the other half ride, you getting in, you getting out. Like, what's your experience, man? You buying anything directly off Dex Tools, even though it may rug? Like, what are you looking at there? Clay still hasn't followed me on Twitter. Dial-Up Survivor, are you sure that I don't follow you on Twitter? I thought I followed you on Twitter. Oh, that's a good question, Tim. That's a terrible question. That is a terrible question. Where's Farmy, he says. Clay, bro, I'm lucky. Bring the roast, my brother. No, dude, I'm not going to do it, man. Oh, dude, you never hit a guy in a wheelchair, Tim. You never hit a guy in a wheelchair. Unless, of course, he hits you first, then it's on. Technically, you did hit me pretty hard with that farmy comment right there, so it technically would be on. I don't know, dude, I don't know how you can hit a dude any harder. You could talk crap about his mother, which you guys have not done, or you could talk crap about his money, which you just did, Tim. You just did. You brought up farmy, man. You brought up farmy, and that was a very, very tough lesson. So, yeah, dude, you might you keep push your luck a little further, Tim. Let's see what happens. Should I teach people options in long-term trading, long-term investing while F1 racing at 180 miles an hour? Frank, I do believe that you may be the only person to employ that strategy. So that could be a very good strategy, dude. I'm a sword bearer for Kalani. I like it. Is Kalani? No, I don't see Kalani over there. Kalani, if you want me to follow you, man, you got to follow me. I don't know how to search people out on Twitch. So Dark Bro, I guess I'm going to send some profit checks your way if these coins keep paying off. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Dark Bro left the chat, but Dark Bro would love that, man. Dark Bro would love that, but I think he's gone already. Facts you are, Pudgy. So is Pika and so is Frank. There you go, Kalani. So Clay, do we buy now, hold, wait to buy more, hold out for tomorrow's dip, or wait till the next week's collapse? I'm just trying to keep up with all the negativity. I need a hug, maybe a drink. Hug will take care of everything. You don't need a drink, dude, unless it's some lemonade and a bright, sunshiny day to make things better. Here's the deal, dude. I still think that we could see some increased negativity. Now, the problem is, if you wait out for tomorrow's dip on the Federal Reserve, if you wait out for next week's collapse, if you wait out for, the United States defaulting on its debt, if you wait out for China to overtake us, if you wait out for some sort of a Russian invasion, if you're waiting out for some of these things, they may never come. And if they may never come, you may not be willing to step in. Dude, sometimes you gotta, and this might be a terrible analogy, but sometimes you just gotta get in the cold pool, man. You gotta get in the cold pool, and you will get used to the water. And that means just continuing to, I guess, eat the losses, but be willing to either continue to average down or so on. So don't necessarily go all in right off the start. If you do, it's okay, and it's great if you time it perfect, but if you're willing to just continue stepping in with what you're able to, then over the long term, that's when you get the lemonade, that's when you get the sunshiny day, dude, because the losses that we see right now, they will be erased, man. They will be erased. And I know it doesn't seem like it, because if you go look at any stupid stock right now, if you go look at any stock, CEI, I know it's on it. Well, you know what? Let's go look at one we don't watch too often. That's a bad example. Ford, dude. Ford. $23 down to $9 during this bear market. Ford has lost over 50% of its value because of this bear market that we're in right here. That's nuts, man. That's nuts. If you look at, let's look at another one here. Well, Carvana, we know what happened to that. Carvana losing 100% of its value, man. Going from $376 down to $7 right now, touching $3 lows. If you look at whatever this is, Artis Motor Vehicles, 100% of its value in a couple months. $243. Scammed the world down to 40 cents. I don't even know what that is. Somebody must have been looking at that for some volatility or something. Affirm, dude. You look at Affirm, $176 down to $9. 100% of its value, man. Gone. You look at Apple. Apple's still okay. And this is a different story because Apple is one of the largest companies in the world. But if you look at it this way, it was at $181 and dropped down to $120. That's still a 30+% decline in the largest company in the world, man. A 30% decline in the largest company in the world right now with a $2.6 trillion valuation is $1 trillion just disappeared. That is crazy. You can go on down the line, man, and just click and see 100% of its value gone during this bull market. Tesla, well over 50% of its value, losing 75% of its value, falling down to here. And this is one of the other largest companies in the world, man. U.S. Bank, $60 down to $30, 50% of its entire value gone. This has been, dude, you got guys out there, they're going to stand in front of the United States of America and tell you that this bear market is fine, everything is okay, the economy is doing great, we're here to create jobs, we're not here to worry about your 401ks. Well, dude, your savings are just depleted. This bear market has been brutal. But, golly bum, dude, if there's one thing I know, all right, if there's one thing I know, it's that you see declines like this in the past, and you can hit some all-time lows. But then what comes after could be some amazing gains from $5 to $60. And it might take a while, man. It might take a while. But as these companies grow over time, it is incredible what can happen to them. So you've got to look at, and you got to have that long-term mentality if you want to maintain any level of sanity. But you're absolutely right, dude. Sometimes you do need a hook, sometimes you need a lemonade, and that is exactly what we need right now. I've learned a lot of new things about the world in the last week. Well, Pudgy, very good, man. Teach us something. Did anybody else see DeSantis outlawing CBDCs in Florida? I did not see that. Did you see a workhorse run up 20% today on news that they could still make vehicles for yesterday? No, he has risen. I did not see that. We could look at it if you want, but I did not see it. I'd rather not wait. It'd be nice now if our government would stop working to undermine America's lead in the world of technology. Their efforts to stop crypto is insane. Yeah, Mark, I agree with you, man. I don't think that the government really cares too much about innovation and growth. I think that they've pretty much settled on control. As sad as that is, dude, I think they've pretty much settled on control. Workhorse was $43, now $1. We just got news about a possible contract with USPS again. Hey, he is risen. Here's what I'm going to tell you, okay? If you're thinking about getting into it, be skeptical. Where did that news come from? Is it legitimate or is it from Reddit? Because what you're going to learn, dude, is there's a lot of weirdos out there who make up news just to try and get a run so that they can either, take advantage of a little run based on their rumor or hopefully exit their position that they've been trapped in and get some new bag holders out there. So just be very skeptical of where that information came from. If it's legitimate, dude, you've seen companies bounce back. You've seen them bounce back. Riot and Marathon Digital, those two, for example, those crypto companies, they were down to like 70 cents in 2020, and they ran up to $70 in 2021 when Bitcoin was running. So, runs are possible. Just be very skeptical of the source of that news. Let's see. Shorted over 30%. Julie, man. I don't know about a short squeeze, all right? People were coming in here last week. People were coming in on like Thursday or Friday. Oh, there's Kalani. I'm going to follow you, Kalani. People were coming in here on like Thursday or Friday and saying that Bed Bath & Beyond was going to squeeze because Deep Value, or Roaring Kitty, whatever you guys call him, was talking about it again. Of course he was talking about the short interest on Bed Bath & Beyond. They filed bankruptcy and they were down like 35% today. They wanted you to buy in. What was Thursday and Friday? Here? Tuesday, Monday, Friday. Yeah, they wanted you to buy in on like this day right here. Oh no, that's a monthly graph, sorry. They wanted you to buy into Bed Bath & Beyond, like right in here at 11 cents. Dude, it touched 7 cents today. And it's down to 6.8 cents after hours. It's down another 10% after hours. You can't buy bankrupt companies, man. You can't do it. Don't let somebody fool you into buying a bankrupt company. I'm watching Dex Tools. I grab off Uniswap and watching on CoinMarket. So if a coin hits 1 million, head to 2 million without pull, a chance $100. If it hits 10 million, I'll grab 50 to 100 more at $500 million. Very nice. $100 more at $500 million. Take half and let the rest ride till I see a major drop and get what I can. Anything after my 100 turns to 1,000, I'm happening with anything. Or I'm happy with anything. Oh, Kenneth, man. I love it, dude. Kenneth, what do you... Because, look, I'm honest with you guys. I'm not used to trading those tiny little meme coins. And I'm definitely not used to trading on like the Ethereum blockchain. So I have traded some Binance Smart Chain coin before. I have, I've mined. I own some of the bigger coins. But what would you, what's your slippage that you use? Because I was looking at it a little bit yesterday when I was throwing some Ethereum into my Trust wallet so that I could go out there and buy some of these coins or whatever to take advantage of this rally and see what we got going on with all the excitement. But what kind of slippage do you guys use in when you're buying these little coins like that? Let me know on that one too before we leave here if you're still in here. Time in the market is more important than time in the market. Yeah, you know what? Look, I like Warren Buffett on a lot of stuff. He's a good investor, a good long-term, old-school guy. He doesn't believe in the crypto market, so I don't agree with everything that he says, but he's proven himself. You know what I mean? He's proven himself. And I'll say this, if you buy a legitimate company and you're not out there trying to buy some Chinese mushroom grower like farming, all right? You're not out there trying to 3-4x your money in the stock market and get scammed by some Chinese mushroom sellers. You're all but guaranteed to make money long term. All but guaranteed, man. If you are buying a legitimate company that is making money and doing business long term, if they plan on continuing to do business and they plan on growing, they're bound to grow. Now, it might be 5 years, it might be 10 years. Nobody wants to hear that. But, dude, if you could throw $100 a month in, and all of a sudden 5 years down the road, you got $5,000 in there. And then all of a sudden, you continue to throw $100 a month in, and you're making 10-15% a year on some solid, steady companies. Dude, you retire with $1 million, guaranteed. And I know $1 million now is not going to be $1 million in 40 years from now due to inflation. But if you mean to tell me that you wouldn't be happy if you were retirement age right now, and you wouldn't be happy with $1 million, I would have to call you crazy. I think you would be very happy with $1 million. I got a couple of third world tricky tricks and a couple of Mouseco tools saying the government won't take control. Good. Listen, guys, in all honesty, we do need certain aspects of the government, right? I do think that public schools are great. I think that you don't have to pay to go to school and learn. The fact that I got a lot of teachers in the family. I think there's a lot of people that have very good intentions who want to work and make the world a better place. Firemen, policemen, I think there's a lot of good aspects to the government. But I do, and I don't know if any of you guys would disagree, I do think that the government can go too far. I think that the government can get reckless with their spending, and I think that the government can overstep their boundaries, and I do think that the government, it should be a dual-edged sword there. The government should be able to, keep some control and order, but the people should absolutely be able to keep the government in control and order as well. So, it's a necessity, but I think that they overstep themselves. My slippage is my $100. When it's gone, I'm out. These are all risk, but the profit at the moment, I'm having major increases grid-wise. That's where my money comes from. My Dogebot is at 75,000. Oh my God. I love it. Kenneth, man. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Listen, it is after 5 o'clock. We're going to get off here now. We're going to have videos coming out at 7 p.m., videos coming out at 8 p.m. Appreciate all you guys for watching. And if you have not followed the Twitch yet, if you've got a Twitch, please trying to dual stream on both of them, YouTube and Twitch right now at the same time. Click the link that's pinned to the top of the chat there that Pika's got. Join the party. And that's the Twitch channel. If you guys would please follow that, I would appreciate it. Nonetheless, man, we're going to be doing the shout-outs. We're going to be coming back with videos tonight. Appreciate all you guys for enjoying the live stream. Keeping it awesome. And, of course, we're going to see you tomorrow. So, shout out to Kenneth, man. Enjoy your evening, and hopefully you make some sick money. Mark, see you later. He is risen. Frank, enjoy your evening. Tim, man, shout out to you, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timmy. Happy birthday to you. Tim, man, happy birthday to you. Thank you very much for being in here, and hopefully everything goes well for you tomorrow. He is risen. See you later. Kombu, enjoy it. Kenneth, man, see you later. Frank, Tony D, insert. Enjoy your day. Back to the future. Kenneth, man, peace out on the YouTube side. Boom, Kenneth. Tim, see you later, man. I got to go. Nurses, here, be sad, be happy, and be safe. Of course, Tim, man, enjoy your day. DD214, Frank, Pudgy, peace out of the Diamond-Headed Snakes, baby. J-Bones, later to you, man. Back to the future. Later to you as well. Pika, if you're in here, later. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, Spider. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.